What's up, witches? I'm Allie the Bronx Witch, and welcome back to my channel, where you are the magic, and where I make videos about Wicca, the religion, witchcraft, the practice, and I make videos about tarot. And in this week's Magic Monday video, I wanted to just take you on a little guided meditation to help you connect deeper with your tea drinking experience. These Magic Monday videos are an opportunity for me to show you a little bit of how I live a magical life every day, I guess. And drinking tea is something that has become very magical for me, and I want to share that with you because I think developing a tea ritual is a really easy and accessible way for you to do something magical every day. So if you'd like to participate in this guided meditation, then I encourage you to make yourself a cup of your favorite tea. You might want to light a candle and some incense as well, and find yourself somewhere comfortable to sit. Ideally, this place will be quiet and somewhere where you can be undisturbed, but if it's not, remember that that's okay. The idea of developing something like a tea ritual is to find something you can do all the time, no matter what's happening in your real everyday life. Take a deep breath in, maybe 2 or 3, and start to relax. You might hold your tea in your hands so that you can feel the warmth of the mug against your skin. You might lower your head and take a deep breath in and inhale the scent of the tea, letting the aroma wash over you. When you're ready, fix your gaze on the cup of tea itself, staring at the tea softly, allowing your gaze to almost go through the glass. Feel yourself sinking psychically into your mug. Feel yourself entering the mug. Feel the heat of the water as you sink deeper into your tea. And allow your consciousness to continue to travel deeper into your tea mug until you are inside the tea. You are the herb. You are your tea. And so while you're there, inside of your tea, inside of your mug, mingling with the other tea leaves, is the time to speak your intention for this cup. As you drink this tea, what is it that you would like these herbs to do for your body, for your day, for your life? Repeat your intention 2 more times. When you've stated your intention to the tea 3 times, take a very important moment to thank the herbs for all that they do, and to ask them if there's anything that you can do for them in return. You can pause this meditation if you need to sit and wait for your answer. But take as long as you'd like to have this conversation with your tea. When you're done, you can say your goodbyes and begin to exit your mug, feeling yourself traveling out of the tea and into the water, out of the water and into the mug, out of the mug and into the steam, and then back into your body. You can do this short meditation every day, anytime you have a cup of tea, and you can turn the seemingly mundane activity of making yourself a hot drink every day into something that is truly magical. It's in this way that witches create their rituals. So I'm excited for you to develop your own simple ritual to help you practice magic a little bit every day. If you enjoyed this guided meditation or would like to have more videos like it, please click on the thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them for me down below. And of course, subscribe. Click on the bell button so you're notified every time a new video comes out. You can follow me on Instagram at BronxWitch, and I will see you in the next video. Blessed be.